Before you spend your money on this Amazon product, here's the honest breakdown you actually need. The GoPro Hero is known for durability, but is this compact version truly a game changer or just a budget compromise? This is the GoPro Hero, an entry-level action camera designed to capture your adventures without breaking the bank. Made by GoPro, a brand synonymous with action cameras, it aims to bring their rugged, high-quality video capabilities to a wider audience. It's perfect for anyone looking to document their trips, sports, or just everyday fun in a way a smartphone can't always handle. Let's dive into what makes this camera tick. First, the 4K Ultra HD video. This means incredibly sharp and detailed footage, making your memories look stunning even on a big screen. Imagine capturing your kid's soccer game or a hike with that level of clarity. Second, the 12MP photos. While not the highest megapixel count, it's more than enough for vibrant, shareable images. You won't be disappointed with the quality for social media or casual printing. Third, the touchscreen interface. This is a huge plus for ease of use. Adjusting settings, framing shots, and reviewing footage is as simple as tapping your phone screen, making it super intuitive for beginners. Fourth, its waterproof design. No need for a bulky case, you can take this camera straight into the pool, ocean, or rain, capturing unique underwater shots or just having peace of mind in wet conditions. This camera is perfect for beginners venturing into action videography, students on a budget who want to film their college experiences, or families looking for a durable camera for vacations and outdoor activities that can withstand a little rough handling. If you're a casual vlogger who wants better quality than your phone but don't need all the pro features, this is a solid option. However, one honest downside is the stabilization. While it has some, it's not as advanced as higher-end GoPros, so you might see a bit more shake in really bumpy action shots. Compared to a typical smartphone, the GoPro Hero offers superior durability and a wider field of view, ideal for action. While a high-end action camera like the GoPro Hero 12 Black would offer better image stabilization and more advanced features, the Hero sits at a much more accessible price point, making it a great entry. On Amazon US, the GoPro Hero typically sits at a very attractive price point, often under $200. For the features you get, 4K video, a touchscreen, and built-in waterproofing, this is excellent value. It significantly undercuts the premium models, offering a taste of the GoPro experience without the premium cost. The link in the description is an affiliate link, use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.